How's it going, everyone? Wanted to give you another update. It's the next day and it is coming along beautifully. If you ever wonder if 3D printed rockets have a through fin design, as in the fins go through the body, mine does not. It is one piece. Because a lot of rockets will have the motor tube and then a huge space, like literally just an open area, and then you'd have the fins go through the outer wall to the motor tube. That would be like more of a classic rocketry thing where you're building it out of cardboard and balsa and all that stuff. But when you're printing, you could do that too, but I prefer just a nice solid, well, 10% infilled body. That is cubic pattern infill. I've been playing around with that and the triangles, but thus far this seems to give the most strength everywhere.